My business is that whole real food fills me up because it has everything that's in there that my body requires. Why is it when you eat whole real food you get full, and when you eat processed food you don't get full? Great question. It's actually because the food is so dense and it has everything that our body requires. And it's not light and fluff and made from science with processes and all the things. It's actually dense and full of life, and we are life. And when we eat that, we feel full because it has everything in there that we're required to eat. And there's no point in me going into any kind of nutritional angle on it because I don't know anything like that. It's not my business to know. My business is that whole real food fills me up because it has everything that's in there that my body requires. It's actually really quite simple.